According to research, every student gets attracted to cartoons and not focusing on studies. So we are introducing the solution of this problem, Bharat Self Learning. We are providing the lectures in animation and cartoons and turning the addictions into a powerful learning tool. Thank you for precious time.